Welcome back, guys. It's Z here with the Motivated Moneymaker YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 6 ways you can monetize your YouTube channel. Well, I'm not going to waste any more time. I'm going to get this video started. Starting off our list at number 1 is joining YouTube's partner program. Now, essentially what this means is that once you meet YouTube's requirements, you're eligible to run ads on your videos and get paid for them. Now, the downside of this is that YouTube requires that you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And as we all know, it does take a decent amount of time to build that kind of audience with those kind of hours. But from further research that I have done, I have found that YouTube takes out 45% of what those ads are paying, and the YouTuber gets the remaining 55%. And YouTubers get paid via Google AdSense. But I mean, this is still a great way to make money via YouTube, and is most certainly is one of the very popular ways of making money on YouTube, but is the furthest thing from being the only way to do so. And that leads me right into number 2. At number 2 on our list, we have YouTube Premium. Now, this is also a great way to monetize your YouTube account as well. And what YouTube Premium is, it's a feature that allows users to watch content on YouTube ad-free. And in addition, it also allows them to run the YouTube app in the background without it ever pausing, which is also kind of nice. And so the downside of this for creators is that you also, like option number 1, you have to meet that threshold. You have to be a part of the YouTube partner program and meet the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But one of the benefits, one of the positives, because there are several positives to this, is that once you join the YouTube partner program, you actually don't need to do anything else to your account. Once you become part of the YouTube partner program, you immediately can start reaping the benefits of the YouTube premiums. And so what this basically means for creators is that if someone were to watch one of your videos using the premium account, you would get paid for that. You would get compensated for it. And I heard that you can get compensated immediately for it. And a lot of people have actually said they enjoyed getting paid via YouTube Premium. And it's one of the many ways you can make money on your YouTube channel. But again, there are several other ways you can do this, and that leads me into point number 3. At number 3, we have create channel memberships. Now, this is another feature of YouTube which allows you to create memberships for your subscribers, and it works just like any other memberships site, where you can set up a pricing structure and decide what content your users have access to, your subscribers have access to, based on the level of their membership, which I think is pretty interesting. But there is a downside to this, and the downside is that it requires a lot more than both option 1 and 2. Because this option, you actually need 30,000 subscribers. And the reason for needing 30,000 subscribers is that YouTube wants to make sure that you are providing them with valuable content. And they determined whether or not your content is valuable based off the number of subscribers you have. And so while this may not be an immediate kind of option for new YouTubers or YouTubers, that have relatively low subscriber counts, it is most certainly an option if you do get to that threshold and you want to expand or find more ways to make money via YouTube. And so again, this is a great option for those bigger accounts, or those accounts that are getting relatively close to that threshold. It's a very viable option. But enough about number 3. Let's move on to way number 4. At number 4, we have create sponsored content. This is a great way to make money outside of YouTube features, especially now as brands are looking to content creators with large followings to promote their products and services. Now, to find the right brands, Content creators can use this YouTube algorithm called YouTube Brand Connect. And what it does is it matches YouTube creators to brands. Now, how much one makes depends on several factors, such as the quality of the content and the level of viewership, how many people view that video. But if you have a large following, this can really be a great way to make money from your YouTube channel. And I'm pretty sure even once you hit the YouTube Partner Program, the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I'm pretty sure you still could find you some pretty decent brand deals. I mean, again, it really depends on the quality of your content as well as viewership, how many people are viewing your content. So, again, I don't think you necessarily have to be a large creator, just meet that YouTube threshold, and this could still be a viable way to make money via your YouTube channel. Now, on to option number 5. At number 5, we have selling merch. Chances are, if you've built yourself a large following, then you may find that some of your subscribers may be interested in buying some form of merch from you. Now, this can be really great as it allows your followers to have something to remember you by. And there's actually two ways you can actually go about doing this. Way number one, you can do it through YouTube. And to do it through YouTube, you have to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program. And we all know how that song goes. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And once you meet that threshold, you can actually go into your monetization tab in YouTube, and from there you can actually put products, connect a YouTube account to, I think it's Teespring that they're partnering with, and you can create merch and have it show up at the bottom of your videos, which I'm pretty sure we've all seen at least one YouTube channel with that. We see the merch lined up at the bottom of the screen. That's exactly what I'm talking about. But in order to do that, you would have to be part of the YouTube program. The second way is for those who aren't part of the YouTube program. They may have less than 1,000 subscribers, but they have merch out that they do want to get out to people that currently follow them. The second way to do this is to leave an external link to your website where you have your merch, and to leave it in your description. And if you want to lead more people to that link, you can easily say something in your video like, check out the link in my description to get a free t-shirt, to check out the store, or whatever. But that's the second way to do it. And again, this is for if you aren't part of the YouTube Partner Program, but you still want to get some of your merch out. And so that is way number 5, selling merch. And I'm going to take you guys into the last way you can monetize your YouTube channel. Rounding off our list at number 6 is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great avenue to make money from your YouTube channel because all you have to do is find affiliate products and promote them. And you do not need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program to start seeing results from affiliate marketing, which is why I honestly think it's one of the best ways to monetize your YouTube channel, because you can start wherever and whenever you are in your YouTube journey. But I do suggest that you find affiliate products that reflect your YouTube content and your channel in its entirety. So if you are looking for a way to immediately start making money via YouTube without having to worry about your subscriber count or your watch hours, then I most definitely do suggest that you give affiliate marketing a try and see how it works for you, because again, you can immediately get started with it. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you can be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media channels. I will leave links to all of them in the description below. Until next time, please take care and stay safe.